Hello friends, welcome to our English short and easy learning class. In today's class, we'll start with the new lesson, the circles and loops to final hooks. Here, the straight strokes followed by the hook and also the circles. The sound of S or ses, st or stir is added to hook N attached to a straight stroke by writing the circle or loop on the same side as the hook with the right motion. So, whenever we wanted to use the circles and also the loops, we can write the same in the side of the hook N, which gives the sound of S, ses, st or stir. And with this, we'll apply with the words. So, D and the hook N. So, Dan. The circle S on the side of the N hook gives dance, dances, danced, then duster. Expense, expenses. Spinster, spinsters. Dispense, dispenses, dispensed. So, when we wanted to write this type of the circles and also the loops, the same we can do so by writing on the side of the N hook side, then N also will be added to the straight strokes. Next, the curves followed by N and S. The small circle added to the hook N attached to curves by writing the circle inside the hook gives the sound of Z. So, when we are writing the circle S to the hook side, it gives the sound of Z, which we can see in the words fine, finds, wines, shines, balloons and minds, because here the rule is that the hook N and the small circle attached to a curve gives a heavy sound of Ns. So, balloons, Ns, minds. Again the sound of N and Z. And when the light sound of Ns follows a curve, it is expressed by the stroke N and circle S. So, the writing of this small sound of Ns, this we can write so by writing the strokes through the line like fence, evince, mince, fences, evinces, minces, fenced, evinced, minced, fencing, evincing and mincing. Here, in order to keep the light sound of Ns, we are using the stroke N and the circles. And here we cannot use the N hook N, because whenever hook N is added, it gives a sound of Ns, heavy sound of N and Z. Further, we have circle S added to F or V hooks. So, the circle S can be added to the hook of F or V by writing the same inside the hook. So, in order to write the circle S, which can be done so by writing the same inside the hook. So, puff and puff and the circle is inside the hook of F. Caves. So V and circle S. Way, V hook and circle S. Operatives. Observes. Archives. So in this way we can make use of circle S for the F and V hooks. Next, when medial NS or the heavy sound of NZ comes, both the letters must be shown. So medially we have to write the strokes, not the hooks, which is written in this words. Pensive. Here N and also the V stroke is being used. Density. Chancel. Johnson. Cancer. Cleanser. Fencer. Rancid. Bincer. However, we can use the N hook here for the words lonesome. So L, N hook, circle S and M. So lonesome, ransom, binsome. So in this way we can use the stroke and also the hook. This chapter's grammar marks are: bell and circle is above the line gives balance. Circle S, T and are also circle S on the line circumstance. Del, circle S on the line deliverance. Circle S and G signified as significant. And the same with circle S gives significance, and N with the N hook on the line gives opinion. Hope you understood this and keep practicing. See you in my next video with a new lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.